Hi, today I will show how to create a table in MS SQL by using SQL Server Management Studio. Let's go to open the Management Studio from here. Just opening the SQL Server Management Studio. It's look now opened. This is server name. We have to enter here the server name, here login, my login credential here, and after that we have to connect to the server. Just click on server connect. Here we can see databases. We already have an database named accounting DB. Just click on here. So we have to open new query. Just click here. Now we have to select the database first. Just drag the accounting DB here and then go. I just want to create a table named as user role. Create table user role integer id integer primary key identity 1 1 comma role name var. Just I want to set 150 character here and not null. Okay, I just want to set not null for primary key ID, and after then I will add another column named as status in var will give its size only 10. Just we have to select and click on execute. It's give me a message user table already exist, so we can add drop statement here. Drop table if exists user table role here, and then go. Just select all and then execute. It is successfully created the table user role. We have to refresh the tables. Refresh. Go here. User role created. Its column, primary key, role name, status. Okay, thank you for watching this video.